And big news on Delhi's AQI coming in. The national capital recorded its best air quality in 8 years today. The latest data shows Delhi NCR's average AQI from January to October this year stood at about 170, which is the cleanest since 2018, excluding the COVID year. Notably, not a single severe pollution day so far was noted in 2025. We're given to understand that the city logged about 79 satisfactory air quality days, the highest in 8 years. The city's air is still unhealthy. However, the capital's overall AQI this morning stood at 237, which is firmly in the poor category. And here are the latest readings across key stations as of today. In Bazipur, in fact, it was 328, in Anand Vihar 292, in ITO 272, in Narela 279, Vivek Vihar at 277 and Sonia Vihar at 274. Now, Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa this morning inspected pollution control measures and the ambient air quality monitoring systems in Anand Vihar.
ऐसे हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं जिनके ऊपर सबसे ज्यादा AQI रहता है, पोल्यूशन जहां से शुरू होता है। उन 13 के 13 हॉटस्पॉट्स के ऊपर हमारी सरकार निरंतर काम कर रही है। सभी हॉटस्पॉट्स को एक्स्ट्रा मॉनिटरिंग करी जा रही है। परसों से एक नए प्लान के तहत हमने काम शुरू किया था, जिस प्लान का काफी इफेक्टिव नजर आया। उसी प्लान के चलते आज आनंद विहार जो बस स्टॉप है, इसकी इंस्पेक्शन थी इस हॉटस्पॉट की। इसके बाद शालीमार बाग और नॉर्थ दिल्ली में अशोक विहार जाएंगे। हमारा मकसद है कि किसी तरीके के जो हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं उन पे जो ट्रैफिक कंजेशन है, उन पे जो रोड मैनेजमेंट के काम नहीं हुए, इन सभी के ऊपर एक डीप प्लानिंग के तहत काम किया जा रहा है। माननीय रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार ने आते ही पोल्यूशन के अगेंस्ट जंग लड़नी शुरू की। उसमें जो 4 बड़े काम किए थे, आज उनका सार्थक परिणाम दिख रहा है।
And for more details, here's a report that we're bringing you from Delhi Street, filed by my colleague Aparna. Take a look.
From past 2 days, we saw that there was a slight improvement in the air quality index in Delhi and NCR region. But from yesterday evening, the air quality again started deteriorating. I'm here at Anand Vihar, which is one of the hotspot of Delhi's pollution, and we have been continuously reporting the air quality from here. If I talk about the current air quality index, then it's above 300, which means the air quality still falls under very poor category. Also, according to the data of Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, the air quality index recorded at several monitoring stations fell under very poor, and some even fell under poor category. So to control the deteriorating air quality in Delhi and NCR region, the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, has even banned the entry of all BS3 and below standard commercial vehicles from November 1. Now remember, viewers, that from Diwali we saw that the air quality continuously started deteriorating, and after that first GRAB 1 measure and later GRAB 2 measure was also implemented, under which in several areas anti-smoke guns and water sprinklers were deployed to tackle pollution level. With camera person Vijay, Aparna Jha, News 9 Delhi.